This is the story of Rene van de Klundert. When did I wake up? What is awake? For as long as I can remember, I have been critical of what is happening around me. People around me call that annoying, but that's their choice of words. Whether it concerns our Western consumer society and the associated cash flows, or what we see and hear in The Hague and the mainstream media. Remarkably often, I see things differently than they do. The whole sea story has confirmed that once again. It has cost me many friends, and unfortunately tensions also ran high in my immediate family. Good to see now that more and more eyes are opening.